So the next thing, after you've done your weekly review, and this is a little different, but I got this from a guy who talked again about mindset and controlling your mind and directing your mind and maintaining your focus. Because again, we talked about in this couple other videos is, your focus can be distracted by anything, and an energy pendulum can come and just take your focus away, and then your energy is going to that. But to bring it all back to you and in proper planning and effective planning so that you get so much done is you've done your weekly review and you look at this sheet of paper and it's got all these notes on it and all that. Then do this, and this sounds a little woo-woo, but it's really kind of cool. Write your week as if it happened, so that the beginning of the week, you kind of know where you're going, but write it as if it's Saturday and the week has just happened. What happened? And what you're doing then is you're basically telling your mind, these are the things that happened in my life. You're basically pre-creating it. And this is a degree of manifesting, so that you're manifesting that you did all of these things and that you accomplished all of these things and that you got the account, or you sold something, or you met someone, or you got your new car insurance and it was a better quote than what you thought, and you saved a bunch of money, blah, blah, blah. Any of those things that you want to have as if they were already done. And it is done when you write on the end of the week your weekly narrative. And you can do the same thing for writing the weekly narrative or the monthly narrative. You write what happened this month. Try it. It's pretty cool.